Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your gas stove top working again. If you have gas, you can smell gas and you know the igniter is working, but it's just not turning on. If it's just clicking, click, 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 you can smell gas, but it's not igniting. I'm going to show you a great little hack on how to get it working again. It works about 9 times out of 10. I learned this from my father a long time ago. This is actually my second video on this topic. My first video has almost 500,000 views, and I wanted to make an updated video to hopefully help even more people. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so for demonstration purposes, we're going to be doing this gas burner down here on the bottom right. You're going to want to first remove the grate and anything that might get in the way, like so. Next, you want to remove the little gas lid off the top. All right, so getting to the burner itself, if we look down in that little hole, that's where the gas comes out. And then over here, that little white thing, that's the igniter that ignites the gas. Now the gas on most burners goes through a tiny little hole. I'll highlight it with an arrow so you can see it. See that tiny little hole there? That allows the gas to escape over to the igniter and ignite. The problem is cooking food, cooking grease, food particles, over time, that little tiny hole can get gunked up and prevent the gas from reaching the igniter. All right, and then just grab yourself like a small paper clip. I find small paper clips work the best for the majority of gas ranges. Sometimes you can use, like a toothpick or a larger paper clip, but I find the smaller ones work the best. You just want to find something that's around the same size diameter as that hole that you're trying to clear out, and just shove it in there like you can see. Clear out any grease or food particles that could be preventing the gas from getting to the igniter. Another thing you can do is use a duster or some compressed air. Get in there, just blow out that little hole. Now it's worth noting, after you're done clearing out that hole, before you test it, you always want to make sure you replace the lid or it will just not ignite. Well everyone, I hope you enjoyed this quick video on how to get your gas stove top back working again. If you did, please give it a like. Again, this was a little household hack that my dad taught me years and years ago. Some burners have 2 of those little holes, so just, take some time, snoop around, see how many of the little holes that you have on your stove, get those things clear, and 9 times out of 10, this fixes the problems with your gas stove not lighting. So again, hope you found this video informative, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.